So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng Zoom app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Google Play Store. And then after yun guys, pagka-open, pumunta lang tayo or itap natin yung search bar. Then dito guys, sa search bar is i-type lang natin is yung Zoom. Ayan guys, open lang natin yung Zoom app or yung Zoom Workplace. So kung meron kayong Zoom app sa inyong mobile phone guys, so pag nag-search kayo sa Google Play Store, ganito yung lalabas. So kung hindi pa siya updated, may update na dapat nakasulat dito. Pero kung updated na guys yung inyong Zoom app, open na lang yung nakalagay dyan. So since nga hindi pa to updated, itatap ko yung update. And wait ko lang guys hanggang sa matapos ma-download. And ayan guys, after ma-install, tap na natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakang application. And mapapansin nyo guys, meron na tayong bagong features sa ating Zoom app. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-update ng Zoom app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.